How to add admin on Facebook group. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add admin on Facebook group. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Facebook app, and then once you're on your Facebook app you have to tap here in the top right corner on your profile picture or the three lines, and then from here tap on groups, and then here tap on your groups. Here you will see the groups you manage, so open the group where you want to add admin, and then once you're on the group you have to tap on this shield icon in the top right corner here, and then here scroll down, find and tap on people, and then here you can search for the member, and after searching tap on them, and here you will see the option to add as admin, so tap on it, and then here tap on send invite, and after that person accepts the invite they will become the admin of the group. And so this is how you can add admin on Facebook group. Thanks for watching.